Hello, and welcome to Umango, one of the easiest document capture and conversion solutions available. Let's get you properly introduced. Remember that Umango runs right in your browser and can conveniently be accessed from anywhere in your network. Let's get logged in. Typically, the login information you will use here is the same as logging into your computer. This info identifies you within your organization or domain. When you first log in, you'll be prompted to activate your software. This is a quick and easy step in getting started with Umango. If you don't have a product key just yet, you can activate using a trial license. Once activated, you'll be guided to the Getting Started window. Here, you can choose to take a tour, which will guide you through the user interface, showing you where things are and how they work to better understand what Umango does and how it does it. Give this a spin, as it only takes a few minutes to complete. But before we dig in too far, let's talk some Umango verbiage. A job is a collection of settings around a document type. A job tells Umango where to find the documents you want to process, what to do with those documents while processing, and finally where to put them when we are finished. The way a job handles documents while processing is in batches. Batches are a collection of documents processed through the system together. Depending on job settings, batches can be processed automatically or with user intervention. When Umango knows a document needs to be processed, it places those documents in the processing queue, ready for when it has the chance to perform the functions determined by the job. Once Umango has completed the work assigned to your documents and batches, these are kept for future reference in the history logs, which can be searched to determine the work that has been completed in Umango. So now that you have some Umango lingo under your belt, let's look at the two types of jobs available to us in the job wizard. In Umango, there are two primary uses or functions: converting documents and capturing information. A simple job dialog helps you get a job set up to convert files from one format to another and route it to a destination of your choice. Whether it is an image format or one of the familiar Office file formats, Umango supports a wide variety to cover all your needs. In this simple job wizard, Umango can also use system variables such as XML metadata and many more to name or organize the file. The second primary function of Umango is to capture information from within your scanned paperwork and images such as supplier codes, invoices, or matter numbers. You can also tell Umango what sort of information you are looking for, and we will find it during the scanning process. Umango offers a wide range of ways to capture and make use of the information on your documents. For example, you could read an invoice number from a document and use that information to name the file and store it into a particular location within your back office system. The options for capture and routing in this wizard are quite broad and very flexible. The final option in our Getting Started window is for the Umango Power User, providing all the features of Umango for finer configuration and enabling all the options available to you. Give me all the bells and whistles puts the full power of Umango scanning, converting, and capturing right into your fingertips. Are you a Umango Pro? Feel free to disable the screen from popping up, but it is always accessible at any time under the Settings cog menu. If you need help at any stage of your Umango experience, feel free to hover your mouse over features to learn more, or check out our library of tech tidbits to learn about specific functions of Umango. Lastly, our knowledge base also might have the answers you are looking for. Remember that when you're stumped, the answer may just be a few mouse clicks away. So now, there is nothing left to do but to dive in. Happy Umangoing!